Performance of Direct Torque Control (DTC) CSI-fed Interior Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motor (IPMSM) drive with online stator resistances. By N. Panniru Selvam, V. Rajshekharan and N. Jayanthi. Objectives: this paper proposed to enhance the performance of Direct Torque Control (DTC) CSI-fed Interior Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motor (IPMSM) drive with online stator resistances estimation using API controller. Background: in CSI drives, the DC link reactor limits the rate of rise of current under short circuit conditions. So the drives can be easily protected under short circuits and thus result in improved reliability of the drive. Methods analysis: Direct Torque Control (DTC) CSI-fed IPMSM drives are widely used in the industry because of their high dynamic performance and the need for position sensors. This method needs fewer parameters to estimate the motor torque and stator flux linkages. The estimation is dependent only on the machine parameters such as stator resistance. Results: at low speed operation, the stator resistance varies due to temperature and frequency, which degrades the system performance by introducing errors in flux linkage and motor torque. Hence, the stator resistance compensation is essential at low speed. The error between the estimated stator flux and its reference value is used to estimate the stator resistance by using the PI controller. For the first time, it is demonstrated in this paper for the DTC CSI-fed IPMSM drive system. Due to the change in stator resistance, the parameter stator flux and electric torque mismatch between the set value and estimated value results in the drive system becoming unstable. Therefore, the overall performance of the DTC system is degrading. To overcome this, stator resistance compensation is essential. Conclusion: the performance of the stator resistance estimators and torque and flux responses of the drive are investigated with the help of MATLABS IMULINK software and hardware. The results show that the proposed method ensures reliability and performs well during low and high operations. The design of API-controlled stator resistance estimator is easier compared to other controllers, and it is implemented in DTC to CSI-fed IPMSM drives very first time. The proposed control system was to deliver high performance at low speed operations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.